Hello everyone, I am Raphael, an artist and illustrator, and I'm going to show you how to draw a simple apple. Alright, so for my project for demonstration of drawing an apple, I am going to use this in particular as a model for my drawing. So I'll be using it as a live references. So I'm going to get myself ready to draw, and let's get started. Okay, right now on some drawing paper and actually I'm just using a regular pencil, and I'm just applying the main outline drawing of the apple, making it really round, but also have like that organic feel of an apple. Not exactly like a perfect round shape, but kind of just following the basic shapes of it, getting the feel for it. And I kind of just repeat it just to make it nice and swiggly, just an organic shape. And I just keep repeating that. And while I'm doing that, I am also doing a little bit of just just fixing things, erasing. Um, I'm also observing the apple as I do it, keeping my eye on it. Also, just copying as much as I can from it, from observation. And up top, I'm putting like a hit part, the stem, to get the inside of its character of the apple. Just trying to, and I'm just trying to figure out where they're gonna go in place. And now I'm starting to shade it. I started a little bit around the stem, getting the inside, getting like focusing on the dark parts. It's one of the dark areas. Now I'm actually going to replace and move towards the bottom where another dark area of the floor and the shadow casting. I want to make it look like it's actually on some kind of solid floor or table. And just kind of make it look like it's in a nice dimension. Just kind of give it just a natural look. Now I'm kind of bringing it up a little bit. The shadows giving the apple some dimension. Kind of look like a roundness to it. And here I'm using a blender, carrying around some of the dark areas and giving it a value of dimensions, so it kind of gives it a nice shape. Kind of like a little idea, and as I just bring it up, just give it extra shading, light. I lighten it up the dark areas so that way it's not all one area. If I make it all the same types of shadow, then it'll end up looking flat. So you have to change it. Sometimes you gotta press lighter or give it in different directions. Sometimes that helps, and that pretty much helps too. So you have to change the lighting many times. Then you have to go back. Sometimes you gotta keep going forward. Sometimes you gotta go back, take away things, erase. Or sometimes you gotta add more to make a certain contrast to make it look nice. As of right now, I'm kind of just following the form of the shape, of the lines and textures of the apple, so that way it has the lines ideas. So. I'm going back and blending it. Blending it. Coming really, really dark right now. but it has like that softness to it, so, and it's mostly really gray. I'm gonna go back to some of the earlier shades. I'm gonna go back over it, make it dark again, so that way the stem pops. Now I'm going to erase some of the top part, make the bright areas more visible and shine, kind of like just give it like a cast of light. And I'm also going back in some areas to make what was dark before redarken again, since I made some of the newer parts dark. So try to even it out, try to give back that dimension once again. And I made the caster shadow in the bottom dark again, get it more expandable, make it look like it's sitting on something rather than just floating. And the sides are getting another shade again. Yeah, it's pretty much, I'm just rebuilding everything again, building it up, making it under the coat of the pencil. Just paying attention where the light's coming from. Nice thing, I've noticed in the bottom is really the darkest, and then up top is the brighter areas. So I'm gonna focus more around the bottom area being really, really dark. To kind of give it like it's the light is hitting from above. So the light will be the strongest up top. And going back, just resharpening everything. Just make the apple solid. Expanding the shadow, making it nice. Make just a solid form of the apple. Relighting up. It's all about right now. It's just it's all about layers and just subtracting whatever's overdone, and that's how it pretty much. Let's keep going for this. How most any kind of drawing works. So I'm just gonna here, and that is all for now. And that's how you draw a simple apple. Pretty much just organic round shapes, and hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.